Hello everyone, this is Tyler Lockett with the Attivo Group, and in this video we will be discussing how opportunities within Processforce and SAP Business One can aid users with issues concerning shop floor reporting. Let's begin. Some of the main issues that arise if organizations do not have an appropriate system of handling shop floor reporting are having stockouts, expediting orders which increase cost, overbooked man or machine hours, lack of visibility of demand, and having blocks that occur on a production line. Several capabilities within Processforce can mitigate these problems and allow users to have a greater control over shop floor reporting. To begin, what causes a lot of grievances when handling shop floor reporting is that paperwork is often manually handled with so much as even a clipboard. This is usually when important figures such as quantity produced, components used, and in and out labor times are to be recorded. This method can cause for human error and increase the overall time of tasks to be completed, especially when errors need to be corrected. Processforce, however, provides a digital way of tracking these metrics. Our first function within the software is that ordered tasks are assigned to specific shop floor personnel, and the user can see what actions are to be completed along with the appropriate materials and items that are involved. The quantity of materials is also reflected in the task and can be measured within SAP to make sure availability is sufficient for a production order. Once an operation has begun, a clock begins to record the amount of time the task is in process on the shop floor against the order. This allows users to accurately measure tasks in-house and use the time data to see where possible improvements can be made. This can also bring awareness if any blocks in production are occurring, which is when any problem is being solved while materials are in process. Completed tasks and their respective times are also recorded against the shop order as well. As the materials and finished items move through the shop floor, Processforce has the capability to report against any shop order for the quantity of item that has been ordered. The item is traced through its batch or serial number and its bin location. The shop order issue can include other information such as remaining quantity that must be completed, how many finished goods are planned to be produced, and what the current in-stock levels are. Receipts from completed tasks or even production orders are recorded as well. This module will also reflect what material is involved with the receipt. All of this data can be updated to SAP Business One. Once a finished order has been produced, Processforce will record this within the shop order completion module, and the actual quantity of finished goods is recorded in real time. Once the order completion is reviewed, the user can close the task. This will all be updated within SAP Business One and will provide accurate levels of in-stock, available, ordered, and committed levels. This will allow for an organization to know if they have sufficient amounts of material to fulfill an order or whether they need to purchase more. This can aid production scheduling from having blocks occur, the same issues that we previously discussed. Other features within SAP can assist this process as well. Now that we have taken a look at opportunities within Processforce paired with SAP Business One, we can see how problems involving shop floor reporting can be solved. In summary, the problems solved through SAP and Processforce are stockouts, expediting orders, overbooked man or machine hours, lack of visibility of demand, and blocks in a production line. I hope this video shows what possibilities Processforce and Attivo All-in-One, powered by SAP Business One, can provide. Once again, this is Tyler Lockett with the Attivo Group. Thank you for watching.